So I've got the green Ting out because it's been stood for about 3 or 4 years doing nothing. And I thought it better be about time it pulled its weight. So we've got these big conifers. And I'm getting it pulled out with a winch. But all the winch was all seized and full of flipping water. So I've had to strip it down and sort that out. But it's pulling them out. Look at the size of them beasts. Massive, aren't they? We've got to do all them there. All them, mate. Better than chopping them out by hand, isn't it? Get the green Ting on the go. Right, because I've not used it for ages. Flipping clutch pedal stains at floor, innit? So I'm going to put a bungee on it for now. There we go, codged. Happy days, mate. That'll do while we get all them bushes out. It's working a treat, my little bungee thing. It's working a treat, my little bungee on me pedal. Yeah, just try it on that for now. Just try it on that for now. Bit of tree pulling. Tell me, Dad.
You can't see any really big ones, but there's loads of them. Right?
Yeah, I'll just give it a yank in it. We're out. We're out, mate. Flipping reverse gear, don't like going in. What is it?
Real.
No way, mate. Get out, melting.
Force tree, mate.
Yeah. That's a monster, that one, isn't it? There was an old cable underneath there, wasn't there?
It's a twisted bar. It's twisted.
Weird, isn't it?
There's a gate. I don't know. It's very gate.
Well, there's another monster out. Look at the size of that. Whopping, mate. Hey? Oh, yeah.
Ah, always Coca-Cola.
Finding all the stuff, mate. Some hole in that, isn't there? Happy days, mate. Doing all right, the green Ting. Got a strong one here. Have to go around the other side, I think. I do it a bit from that way. I can still get around. But it's close, that, isn't it?
That's what I mean. I reckon if you yank it, it would come out.
Yeah, but you can't really yank it like that on the winch too much. It knackers him. Well, it's got them out, no problem, mate. There's another big monster there as well. Look at that. Done all right, hasn't it? Look at the size of that beast. It's a whopper, isn't it? Absolute whopper. But it's chucking it down. It might be summer here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely not summer. I don't think your power steering's working, Brian.
Oh, mate.
Right, mate.
Hey, we're ballast on the back, mate. Hey. By the way, I'm going to do an endo in a minute.
Don't brake too hard.
Hey. Yeah. We're not quite heavy enough, I don't think.
Oh, me and you are like lightest people going.
We need a big meathead on the back. Go and get another. Get on the back. Go for it. Yeah. What? Get another. It's closed out, mate. Hey! Prontimo! All right, mate. Woo! That's another load gone. That's the last load. Yeah. Proper workhorse, this old Kubota. Ran it for about 30 odd years, haven't we?
Decent draft, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's got a load more to get now, haven't we? Do that another day. Well, it was all going so well, and I was praising the trusty old Kubota that we've had for about 35 years. And then, look at that. Leaks all over the road, just as we just come to pull up. So yeah, it's done an hydraulic pipe. It's only a simple one, isn't it? So yeah, it's just chucked one of them off the compression fitting, off the crimp. So something else we've got to fix. But other than that, it's gone alright, hasn't it? We had a bit of a buzz, didn't we?
Yeah, it's good fun, that.
It's alright, that. So yeah, we've done that little bit. And we've got to go and do all that lot as well. So yeah, I thought we'd do a little video. Right, we've fixed it already. Luckily, they're not the crimp-on ones at the back there. They're the ones which you can cut the pipe off, screw the outer one back in again, and it has a taper, and tighten the outer one to it. So we've done it. So we just zip tie them up, and we put them back on the other end. Quick pit stop. 10 minutes later. Right, the test. See if she's a gusher again. Alright. Hey! Melting. Right then, go and put it away. Good as new. Alright, that. Sound that? Good as new. Alright, that. Don't mess about here, you know. Yay! Right then, catch you later.